Welcome to Python online classes. Today we are going to learn how to implement OS module functionalities. So in OS module we have four functionalities. Widely used functionalities are four that we have discussed in the theory class. That is checking the file exists or directory exists. Next creating a directory, removing a directory, and thereafter we have a function called removing a file. So how to do this, all these things I will explain you through program, and I will write comments and I will explain each and every line of program in this video. So now before going to work with OS module, I will create one folder to work with the OS module in D drive. So I will go to the my computer and E drive, and there I will create one folder called OS module examples. So there is a folder name called OS module examples. In this folder I need to write my Python programs and I need to perform all the operations of OS module, the four operations. So before going to perform four operations, I will create a new Python file. I say new window. I will save this file name as to E drive, and thereafter OS module examples, and I will save as file exist example.py. So this program is useful to check whether file is exist or not, whether directory is exist or not. So this program is useful to check file exists or not. So whenever we want to work with the OS module, first we need to import a module. So for that I have a statement called import OS. Importing OS module in our Python source file. And thereafter I need to check whether file is exist or not. To check file exist or not, we need to use a function called exist function, which can take one parameter, that parameter as a file name. So for that I will write the function into the if condition, if os dot path. Here path is the relative path to that respective file, that is nothing but our OS module example folder, and I say exist and file name hello.txt. It will check whether it will return true if file if hello.txt is exist. Clear? So if that location hello.txt is available, then this it will return true. Then I will give some print statement, hello.txt is exist. Else, that means that file is not exist. Then I will say print statement, hello.txt does not exist. So whenever the if condition is true, then it will say hello.txt is exist. If condition is false, then it will say hello.txt does not exist. So first I will go to that particular folder, OS module example. In this folder I don't have any kind of file called hello.txt. So whenever I run this program, then what will happen? It will give hello.txt does not exist. Clear? So for that I will run this program. I will save, before run, save, and I say run and run module, and I am getting hello.txt does not exist. So when I will get hello.txt exist, to get hello.txt exist, I need to create a file hello.txt. So here I will create one new file, new text document, that name with hello. I will have content called hello here. I will save this file, save and close. So now in the OS module example folder I have a file called hello.txt. Then it will give hello.txt is exist. So I will go to the run and I will say run module. So hello.txt is exist. So this is how we can check whether file is exist in that particular location or not. Now same way we can check whether directories exist in that location or not. Directory exists also same code, just what we need to do, we need to change the parameter as a directory name. Clear? So I will write one more, so I will take one more file, new file. I save this file as, save as directory exist example example.py. So I will use this code, so entire code copy and I will paste here. So entire code is same, and here I will write a directory name called happy. It will return true if happy directory is exist. Happy directory is exist. Otherwise it returns false. That means happy directory is exist, or else happy directory is not exist. So for that, so I will save this program, save. So now, do you have any happy directory here? No. So whenever I don't have happy directory, then automatically it will go to the else statement, and I will run this program, run module. So happy directory does not exist, it's working. So now I need to check whether happy directories exist or not. Then I need to create a one directory here, the directory name called happy directory. So I will give happy. So here I have one folder that name with happy, and now I will run this program. Then it will give happy directory is exist. So run module, then happy directory is exist. This is how we can check whether directory is exist or not. This is the example. Now let's move to the next example. So next example is all about creating a directory and removing a directory. To create directory, I will take new file, new window, and I will save this file as create directory example. Create directory example.py. For the create directory, what should I need to do? There are two things. First thing is that directory should not be available on that particular location, because if directory is available, it will take an error. So it will give error called directory is available. So to avoid that error, what should I need to do? I need to check whether directory is exist or not. That's the second thing. So I will use the code, previous code again here. So copy, and I will say paste here. So import OS, this program is useful to create a directory. This program is useful to create a directory. Create a directory. Yes. So importing OS module, and I am checking whether OS path exists hello. If hello is available, then I say hello directory exists. So we can't create a directory. Already it exists, so I can't create a directory. Else what will happen? It will, I need to create a directory. Here my logic will comes into the place. To create a directory, we need to use a function called mkdir. So I say os.mkdir of directory name hello. So I am giving hello, directory name as hello, and I say print statement, print hello directory created. This simple code. So before executing this code, I will save this code. So I am saving this code, save. Now I am going to check whether hello directory is exist or not in this location, OS module example location. There is no hello directory. Whenever there is no hello directory, it will create a directory, and hello directory will be available here. So I will run this code, run module. So hello directory created. Now I need to check into that location whether hello directory created or not. Here you can observe hello directory is created at the time 11:04. That means just now. Clear? This is how we can create a directory. If I run this code again now, then what will happen? It will not create directory because hello directory is already exist. So I will run this program again, run module. So hello directories exist, we can't create a directory. So this is how we can create a directory by using Python program. Now we will write a code how to remove a directory. To remove a directory, again what things we require to check. First, directory should be available on that particular location, and second thing is that directory should not contain any kind of files or subdirectories inside the directory, then only it will remove. So these two things you need to take care. So now we will write code to remove directory. I will take new window and I say remove directory example.py. So this is remove directory example. So I will use the previous code here again, select all, copy, and I say paste. This program is useful to remove directory, and it will return true if hello directories exist. When directories exist, then only I need to remove a directory, otherwise I can't remove. So now I want to remove, I need to use a function called os.rmdir, and it will take one parameter, that is a directory name, os.rmdir. rmdir function is useful to remove a directory. Once this function executes successfully, I will write print statement directory removed. If that directory does not exist, then I need to say print statement hello directory does not exist. So now I will save this code. So according to our limitations, first thing I need to check whether hello directory is available in that location or not. So hello directory is available, and second thing is that it should not contain any kind of files or folders. No files or no folders, this folder is empty. Now this function will get executed successfully and this directory will get deleted. So I will run this program now. Run module directory removed. So here you can observe the output here stating that directory removed. Directory removed in the sense directory is deleted. Which directory? Hello directory. Now I need to check into that source folder. There is no directory called hello directory because it's already removed. Now it's removed. So if I execute this program again, what will happen? It will say directory does not exist. So run module hello directory does not exist. That means I have deleted previously. So now directory does not exist. So that's where this is how you need to remove a directory by using Python program. Now we will write a program to remove a file by using Python program. So I will use this program, a new window, and I save as this file as remove file example.py. So again I will use previous code, select all, copy, and I say paste here. This program is useful to remove file, and here also you need to check one thing, the file should be exist on that particular location, otherwise it won't remove. So hi.txt. So which file we have here? Here we have a file called hello.txt. Now I am going to delete this hello.txt. So I say hello.txt, return true when hello.txt file exists. Clear? And once hello.txt is available, then I need to use a function to remove a file. We have a function called remove, os.remove file name hello.txt, and I can give file removed. I can give print statement as file removed. If file does not exist, then I can say hello.txt does not exist. This is a simple code to remove a file by using Python program. So now I will save this file. I will check whether hello.txt is available or not before executing. So hello.txt is available with content called hello. Now I will execute this program, run module, file removed. File is removed. Then I need to go to that folder. I need to check whether file is deleted or not. So here you can't find any hello.txt now because it's deleted. Now what should I need to do? I need to run this program again, then it will get output as a else condition because file does not exist. So I will go to the run module, and hello.txt does not exist. Why? Because it's removed. So this is how we can remove a file by using OS module. These are the 4 examples we have discussed in the theory class from the OS module. So that's all about OS module examples. If you have any doubts, you can contact through Google Classroom or Google Meet or through WhatsApp or through YouTube channel. Thank you.